So what's the mood here this morning here? It's Sunday. What are we doing?
Chill.
We're chilling or are we on our way to pick up the volunteers?
On our way to Kingston.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is called border because it's the border of Westmoreland and St.
Okay.
You get to fish them and thing right there.
Right.
That's time here. Early now, but usually come out here 12, 1 o'clock. You can get fried fish, shrimps, or swims.
Mike, what's your outlook for the mission this year, JAHJAH Foundation?
This mission is going to be a great mission. We're going to a few new places. We're going to St. Thomas,
Right.
one of our first stops. Very much looking forward to helping that community out.
Right.
And seeing the countryside in Jamaica and just trying to make a difference.
Well, you know, you have been volunteering with us now for how many years?
Probably 6 years.
And I must tell you, you are an excellent volunteer.
I love giving back. Jamaica found a place in my heart a long time ago.
Right.
So knowing that I have a little bit of a skill in medicine, and if I can give that back to the communities in Jamaica, especially the people in need, it just makes me feel fulfilled.
What is it you'd say you love most about Jamaica?
Mostly the people. The people here are just extremely friendly. They're very welcoming. I like the culture, the vibes, of course the weather,
Right.
and the music.
Yeah, the
But
music
it's really the people that has me coming back.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for all you do for the JAHJAH Foundation.
Thank you. I appreciate it, and we're looking forward to a successful JAHJAH Mission 2024. JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
Boom, boom, boom.